Welcome to SharkGaming's webshop. In this video, I'll show you how to use the configurator so you can build your dream PC. There are two ways to choose a computer. The first one is through our PC gaming guide, where we will guide you to a PC based on the game you mostly play. If you choose one of the games here, you'll get to choose between entry-level, mid-range and high-end gaming rigs. Here you will see some of the pre-built machines which will work with the game you've chosen. You don't have to use the PC gaming guide to choose a computer, so let's try to go back to the top. When you hover over computers, we have three categories: MaxByte, Shark and Mighty Shark. MaxByte is our cheaper entry-level models, whereas Shark is mid-range and Mighty Shark is our high-end gaming computer. Let's look at the Shark series. Here you can see a herd of pre-configured Shark PCs, but when you click one of them, we access the actual configurator. Notice that computers with discounts will lose that discount if you change anything in the configuration. When you click the computer, you'll enter the configurator where everything can be changed. So even if we choose a PC with a white case, we can switch it up. And that's the thing with this configurator. We can change everything. First off, you get to choose if you want a custom print or a gamer tag printed on the case. You get to choose what font to use for the gamer tag, and if you scroll all the way down, you can type in the actual gamer tag. If you like RGB light, and let's be honest, who doesn't? You can choose extra LED strips for the case. You can also pimp up the PC with RGB memory, RGB fans. Sleeves are a way to make some of the power cables look a bit cooler and also keep the cable management under control. In our configurator, we have what's referred to as dependencies. In short, that means that the ability to choose a specific piece of hardware is dependent on if it's compatible with the other pieces of hardware. So let me give you an example. A 380 graphics card uses more power than a 1660 Super. So if you choose a 500 watt power supply, you don't get the option to upgrade to the 380 graphics card. The same goes for CPU, cooler, motherboard and memory. If this is a bit too confusing, it might be a good idea to stick with one of the pre-configured computers. Let's finish at the bottom, where you can add gaming gear with good discounts and where you can choose an extended warranty and if you want to speed up the delivery. When you're finished, add the computer to the basket and you're ready to buy your SharkGaming computer and join the Shark side. It's also worth remembering that there are finance options to split up the payment.